Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hilda Pokolo if you are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video I'm doing a facial clay mask. It's different clay mask. So I got these chunks at the local Congolese shop, at the not at the supermarket, like this normal local shopsman, like a kuka shop, like the normal ones in Peru. But you can get this anywhere, market, Komatara, I don't know guys, but you can get clay anywhere, like literally. What you need to do first is cleanse your face. My face is already cleansed, as you can see. And then what I like to do as well before I apply the clay mask is steam my face. So I don't have a facial steamer, so what I do is I boil water, I put it in a bowl, and I just steam my face. I just do this to open up my pores. Or what you can do is a damp face cloth, dump it in hot water, put it around your face. It helps with opening up the pores, and then you can just get all the nutrients and benefits of the clay to your face as you're doing the facial mask. Okay, that is enough. My hands are burning. So from that big chunk, I take off some and grind it with a pestle and mortar for it to become this powder. And then I add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I like to do that because it has so many benefits. Just don't add too much. And add some hot water. I don't have specific measurement, just make sure it's nice and creamy. Now that your face is nice and clean, because it will dry up, I like to moisturize my lips first. With anything actually, I use this. So moisturize your lips because it will get dry and it's not going to be cute. You don't want your lips tearing up, so just go ahead and apply on your face. You want to be careful with this area of your eye. Area is too sensitive, so you must always avoid it. Just apply on the T areas. Why do I feel dizzy? I decided to try out this DIY clay mask that I saw from Kanisa on TikTok, and I've actually been loving it because instead of spending tons of money at the store, this one is quite affordable, and I love how it leaves my skin feeling. Don't be stingy with a clay. Apply as much as you can. As you can see, the mask is still wet. It is just starting to feed my skin and all the nutrients are starting to absorb. You want to avoid the mask to dry completely because it's bad for your skin. It strips the skin, it dries your skin up and causes irritation, and your skin will feel very tight and itchy. So remove it just before it feels too tight. Then you just wait for it to dry off. Don't only wait to take it off when it's completely dry because it cracks up your skin. It's very irritating, and then you're just redoing the whole process, like reverse process actually. Just when it's about to get dry, and then you can wash it off. I wait. Another plus, make sure you're using glass and wooden spoon to mix your recipe because iron, stainless steel or metal can affect the clay. At this stage, the mask is starting to dry. It's not all the way dry. I can feel a bit of tightening and some oxidizing happening. This is when it's starting to draw out all the impurities in my skin, cleaning up the pores, and tightening starts to produce extra blood flow. And this brings that glow to your skin and also awakens your skin. Look at that glow, guys. So after that, you go ahead and wash it off. And apply your normal serums or your normal oils, and voila, boom boom ba bam, you give your skin that, oh, it feels so good. So many benefits, guys. It leaves your skin feeling very soft. So you want to add it to your weekly routine. It helps shrink pores, it deep cleanses, it removes all the impurities, and you don't want to spend, okay? You don't want to spend so much just for a skincare routine. So yeah, guys, you want to try this out, and voila, my skin is feeling like a baby's bum. It's so soft. So you want to try that, and this video is over. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched till this far, I hope you have learned one or two things, and definitely advise that you try. Bye. See you. And that is pretty much all there is to my clay mask routine. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.